Alright, so at long last, we finish with this stern. Only thing left to do, which we are undecided on right now at the moment, is how to address this keel. Whether we just gonna run it straight back how it was originally with its original height, or if we're gonna put a knee there in the middle. And I'm thinking if we do go along with a knee or something, maybe we could leave a little cutout in the center of the knee so we can mount a bilge pump in the middle of the V, which would be nice, as opposed to having one on either side. So that's it for stern. It's been a long time coming. Next step now, we're gonna get this last piece of the floor, get it in the boat, do some trimming where trimming needs, and get it fit. So let's do it. Need to tidy up in here to make space for that, and that's what we're gonna do right now. Okay. Yeah. So here it is, fit. Lining up with the other floor section. This side is a little low, but that won't be too difficult to resolve. This is how we cut it around our new knees. Pretty good, pretty good. We're gonna get some small blocks to screw this on back on the corner, and then we could trim this up as well. And at that point, I say it's probably time to take this back out, and then we gotta
work on this, getting this ready to go in. This is gonna need some work for sure. I think I'm gonna want to put a layer 3/4 kusa under this.
Well, we may
to
not even
strengthen
keep
that.
that, so
Well, I think we should. I mean, I'll probably do the same here with kusa. And yeah, I have that thing there, but
yeah, that's good.
I think
quite sufficient.
I think
especially when that tie into that other piece.
I think a piece of core would be stronger than that.
Oh, that's good.
So. What you up to?
Preparing this to repair it and do some small modifications.
What kind of modifications you doing?
We're going to take this nipple off from the top side, just so you have a flat floor. There's no like 3/4 step up. And then this was like the first thing we ever fixed. So we did some pretty bad work on it. So now we're doing double work.
Kind of hard to hear you. Anyways.
Yeah.
All right. You just can't leave well enough alone, huh? You gotta find something to do.
So yeah, it's hard to hear what Tony was saying, but basically what he's doing here, he's removing what he feels is the wooden coring that's in poor condition. Either it's wet and beginning to rot, or it delaminated. So he likes giving himself extra work to do. So that's what he's doing. He's cutting out all the bad pieces of wood, prepping it for some new coring to be fiberglass over again. And his reasoning for redoing all of this is because when we did it initially, we basically didn't know what we were doing. Seeing that this was our first attempt at fiberglass layups, so he wants to do it again, proper. And then it's going to be adding some additional reinforcements to the floor where he feels necessary. Well, when Tony has an objective in mind, he really gets at it. You know, if it wasn't for him, I don't know how long we'll be in this project. Just wanted to take this opportunity to say so. Thank you, Tony. Really appreciate it, man. Love you.
Okay, I'm mixing up some thickened resin to glue in the cleats. The two cleats that'll be going between the two floor sections, just for a little extra support for the last floor section.
good.
Okay. So we have been working on this, getting this ready to go back in the boat. The last section of floor. I did a lot of work on the bottom, and I just did the last bit of work on the top here. You come show them. It's the tabbing of those two corner pieces we cut off originally. And this is nice and strong now. Maybe go back out. See, there's some flex, but this skinny strip could take a lot of weight. This could be nice and sturdy once we put it in. So we're gonna flip it over so y'all can see everything I did underneath. Yeah, this originally had like a half moon fiberglass tube type of thing. I wasn't really too happy with how it looked, so I just did a layer 3/4 Coosa with some glass there. And we had these two bad spots. One that we had fixed with just straight up glass, like in the very beginning. But I wasn't happy with that repair because, you know, we've come a long way since then when we did that. So I redid it and I reinforced all around this lip area because there's a little ridge that we are going to cut off eventually and just put a little bit of extra strength on the back side to keep it together when we cut that ridge off. So yeah, this is ready to go in the boat. Well. This feels good. We got the floor on the boat. It looks good, it lines up good, feels strong, and I'm excited.
You don't sound excited.
Bring out your inner Andy, honey.
Right over. Connie, it's recording.
Yeah.
Jump on it, walk around, do something, man.
Do something like what?
I don't know.
That's the floor.
Yes, it is.
Hello there.